When I'm done, I may do some acupressure on the person. I may talk to them and give them lifestyle changes that they could make, do a whole kind of assessment. Generally, we talked about the price of acupuncture. It really depends on what you get. When I treat someone, for example, I'll do ear acupuncture, I'll do acupuncture on the body, I'll do electrical stimulation on points if needed. When I'm done, I may do some acupressure on the person. I may talk to them and give them lifestyle changes that they could make, do a whole kind of assessment. When they leave, I might leave them with ear studs, let's say, or I can also give them, herbal medicine or topical herbal patches for, let's say, pain in certain areas. So it's a complete treatment. It's not just, come on in, let's do ear studs and, have a nice day, go home. And that's where the cost of it comes into play, So it's not a one and done. It's a real complete sort of treatment. And I want people to understand that it's not just going to be, oh, here, give me my money and have it be done.